the Parkway Pony Inbound. Current time is 6:29. Temperature is 64 degrees. Road conditions are wet. It's Monday morning. Time for the work week. Go ahead and speed things up. Get down here to the Squirrel Hill Tunnel. See what the advisory is telling us. How much time to get to the tunnel. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the view. It's the Parkway Pony Inbound. Here we are at 6:34, 4 miles, 10 minutes, according to PennDOT advisory. History shows that it's more than 10 minutes when it's backed up this far. If you're going under it and it's still going, flow is good, that might be 10 minutes, but not this. This is 15 to 20 minutes right there. We're looking at a McElwain bus, mutual aid EMS, and what else we got? We got a Reinhardt truck to look for. We're going to go ahead and take the detour. Backhoe on there, so we got some vehicles to look for when we come back up onto the parkway at Edgewood, Swissvale, about a mile and a half away. So we're going to go ahead and take this detour. 6:34 was the time. I'm predicting entering the Squirrel Hill Tunnel at 6:46. Gives us about 11 minutes to navigate through the back roads. Well, looking back, I don't see any of the vehicles we identified when we exited. It's a good chance that they haven't made it yet, because it's only 6:44. 10 minutes. They should have been here, right? But they're not. They're not here yet. So as we make our way to the Squirrel Hill Tunnel, probably not going to make our 46 that we were shooting for. I think we had a little extra long wait there at the light. That's alright. We're going to use this whole ramp if we can. Because that's why they built it, right? They built the ramp for us to use it as an on-ramp. And that's what we're going to do. Here we are making the entrance to the Squirrel Hill Tunnel. The time is 6:46 in 50 seconds, but we're right there at 6:46 as predicted. So I'm sure that we'd still be back there in traffic, not even entering the Squirrel Hill Tunnel, had we stayed on the parkway and didn't take the detour. So once we make it through the Squirrel Hill Tunnel, things should probably open up a little bit and traffic will be flowing at a normal pace. Why it doesn't do it up until this point, I have no idea, other than all the oncoming traffic to the parkway. That's what slows things down, is all these merge points, people shuffling lane from lane. They really need a through lane designated for inbound traffic, but they will not do that. have any suggestions on how they can improve the Parkway 376, please put them in the comments below. And as we said, we come out of the tunnel, things would open up, traffic would then resume its posted speed limit, maybe even a little faster. So why in the world do they get backed up at the tunnel? Who knows? If you have any input as to why, you'd like to hear about it at the Parkway Pony. And this concludes the Parkway Pony Inbound. Time is 6:52. Approximately 23 and a half minutes today on the Parkway. Not bad for a Monday morning. Coming into this city. Did take the detour. I think it was a good way. Otherwise, we'd still be sitting in traffic on the Parkway. So that's all we got for the Parkway Pony Inbound. Have a great day.